Hi guys, so for this video we shall be using the doll face material to tie the scarf. It has two faces. One part is really shiny and silky and the other side is less shiny. I'm guessing that is why it is called a doll face material. So I'm going to be using the less shiny part and I'm just going to fold it into there should be about 4 quarters, and I'm just going to fold 1 quarter down, and you can see how it looks. This is how it looks when I fold. So the part that is not folded is the part that I'm going to let show outside, and the folded part I would hide inside. So I'm just going to fold twice, as you can see from the top, and this is the part that is going to form the base of my cap scarf. So I'm going to just turn it around, place it on the top of my head, and I'm just going to try and arrange it properly, making sure that it is equal on both sides. And then I'm going to bring it straight down to my forehead and to my eyebrows, and that is the line I use to measure. So straight down from my eyebrows to the back of my head, make sure that it is straight, and then I'm going to make the knot from the back. So once I make the knot, please try not to pull your head too tight, just pull it just enough so that it will be firm, not tight, firm, not tight. So after making that, I'm just going to use my finger to smooth out the front. You want it to look like an actual cap, so you smooth it out, and then I'm just going to use my hands to tuck in any excess fabric to prevent my head from looking like it is swollen. Now I'll take the first arm and I'm going to bring it forward. You can actually just tuck it in like this. It looks pretty, but I wanted some sort of pleats, and I'm just going to use my hands to make the pleats. I'm just pinching it anyhow, like I'm not doing anything specific. Just pinch it anyhow. Any mess you make here will look pretty, I'm sure. So just pinch it anyhow and wrap it around your forehead like I am doing. And as you can see, I tried my best to not use pins because pins can be stressful. So I'm just going to tuck the tail of that. And after I've tucked it in, I'll be using my hands to arrange the top of the scarf. But I'm just going to tuck it in to make sure that it is nice and firm. And then I'm going to take the second arm and I'm going to repeat the same thing. But this time around, I didn't make any special pleats. I just pinched it, made sure that it was properly tucked in. And yeah, you just kind of do like a crisscross with a side, attraction on the side, if you will. And after tucking it in, just use your hands to smooth the top of your cap, and you're basically done. I think that you can tie this in less than 5 minutes and you're out the door. It looks so pretty. It gives your head some kind of edge. It gives your head some kind of shape. It looks so regal in my opinion. I love it so much. I think this is my favorite scarf style. So let me know if you learned anything from this video. If it was helpful, you can comment helpful in the comment section below. And please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I'd appreciate that so much. And subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.